Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where was your last trip?
To Hanoi.
How did you get there?
By plane.
Who did you travel with?
With my family.
What places do you want to visit?
Japan and France.
Do you like the beach or the mountains?
I like the beach.
Do you take a lot of photos when you travel?
Yes, always.
Do you prefer traveling by car or train?
By train.
What do you usually pack?
Clothes and camera.
Do you get travel sickness?
Sometimes on buses.
Have you ever traveled alone?
No, not yet.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, that's my favorite part.
How long was your longest trip?
2 weeks.
Do you buy souvenirs?
Yes, for friends.
What is your dream destination?
Paris.
Do you use travel apps?
Yes, to find hotels.
Do you make travel plans in advance?
Yes, I plan everything.
Have you ever lost your luggage?
No, luckily not.
Do you speak the local language when you travel?
Just a little.
Do you prefer busy cities or quiet places?
Quiet places.